Now it's not going to do a big gust. Oh, somebody's trash can just went flying down there. Something else fell over. I was going to show you guys how strong the gusts get here and why we're putting in a windmill eventually. But no, it doesn't want to do it. There's dust everywhere flying around. There we go. It pushes me real hard to the side. The sprinkler's getting me. It's blowing the water all the way over here. I think it's pretty strong here sometimes. And the chicken's coming out to say hi. When it gets really windy like that, they hide. Something else just fell over. A couple of my tomato plants have fallen over, and I tried staking them back up to resist the wind, and it's not working. They just keep falling over. They're about 6 feet tall now. So. And the crew across the street during the construction has gone home. When it gets really windy, it's hard to work in. They think I've got, whenever they see me, they always start pacing the fence and cooing at me because they think I've got corn to give them. Oh, there's stuff in my eyes now. I better go in. Leaves blowing everywhere. It's not nearly as strong as it gets sometimes. When it gets really strong, it'll start getting branches and things like that blown into the windows of the house, and then I know it's really strong. I have to go in. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.